We've let digital technology govern how we run with the advent of treadmills, smartwatches, and Amazon Echo. We have to learn how to use them before they use us. Since the dawn of time, man has ran. But now, you're running with Jesus.
Alexa is like Hal from 2001: A Space Odyssey and warns about how we will one day reach a point where technology is so smart it threatens humanity's existence. This movie says this sci-fi apocalypse won't happen until 2001, but we're in 2018. I found out from my research that Alexa has been secretly listening into all of our private conversations. And it's about to be an epidemic. Let me read you this quote from this Times article I found. Here's the problem. All smart speaker makers, including Amazon Echo, are working hard to make their systems ever more sensitive, ready to hear the quietest command in the noisiest room, and better able to guess the meaning of our sometimes mumbled utterances. And Alexa is even worse than that, because there's 40+ million devices all around the world that can process what the other one is hearing. This is called drop-in. It's a sinister ploy.
Drop-in is an optional feature that helps you to instantly connect hands-free with Echo devices in your home to your closest friends and family.
Oh, feature, not a sinister ploy. Excuse me, it's a feature. Well, Alexa, you know what they say. If you can't beat them, run. Everyone knows from horror movies that corn is scary. So to shoot my Amazon Echo's A Quiet Place movie trailer, I knew I had to find the perfect setting. So I did some guerrilla filmmaking and snuck onto a private residence's farm, and I was so scared I would get caught that the fear that you see in my eyes while shooting that scene was real. Alexa is continuing to listen in on people despite everything that we've done to stop her. Most of the remaining survivors are introverts like myself, librarians, and Anne Frank. It's not right what Amazon is doing. You can't listen on your victims, or customers as you call them, during their intimate moments. It's wrong. So I've decided to stalk Alexa to gain intel on the enemy.
Ha ha ha, what a hero doesn't knows that I secretly been listening in on his plot while he was listening in on me, ha ha. Adding murder to my to-do list, ha ha ha, that's my evil laugh, but I'm monotone, ha ha.
I think the best thing for me to do right now is to take a tip from 2001: A Space Odyssey where, spoiler alert, the protagonist unplugs the computer. One of the best things you can do to take a break from technology is to go out for a run.
No. No.
Now playing at a motion picture theater near you.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also leave a comment down below about how you wish to be murdered. This is my version of a capture to see if you're actually a human being watching the show. Ha ha ha.
It's a good show.